Hi everybody, and thanks for watching. Today I have someone very special here to help me, and I wonder if you can guess who it is. Shall we give them a clue who it is? What clue can we give them? Can you say hello and see if they can guess from you saying hello? Say hello then.
Hey.
Hey. Could it be...
Francesca.
Oh, you told them. Put your hands there and go, hi everybody. I have a little helper. Now, something happened today. I needed to go to the range because I wanted some storage boxes for A5 and A4. I'll tell you about them later. Anyhow, I went to the range and, well, you know what happens next. Nanny didn't just come out with the storage boxes, did she, Franny? You have to speak because they can't see you nodding.
Yeah.
No, what did Nanny come out with? All of these goodies. So shall we have a look through and show everybody what we got from the range today?
I'm going to do pink.
Right, what's that one? Do you want to tell them what that is? Look at that. Oh, no.
I want to do pink.
Oh, okay, we're going to do the pink. What are they? Can you put them under the camera so everyone can see? Down here, that's it. What are they? Pink sparkly beads.
Yeah.
You see, Nanny wants to make some pretty dangles to go on her journals.
Me too.
And you can help me, can't you? Well, these packs were £1.50. And we also have them in, what colour are these, Franny?
Blue.
Blue. And we have another pack here. And what colour are these? Do you know what colour that is? Brown.
Brown.
So we have 3 packs of sparkly beads, and you also get some wire and some findings in there as well.
And some big one of those.
Wire.
Wire.
So let's put them to one side then. So we have got these to make dangles. So we're going to put them there. Right, what else did Nanny get? Nanny also got some... What are these? Look at these. Cat, you hold that one and I'll show everybody. It is a cute, look at this little cute notebook which has you had me at meow, and I thought these would be great to put in journals. Look, and there's a big one as well. Look at this big one, Franny.
Yeah, and I open it.
You open that one then. And the big one obviously has bigger pages, and it says you are perfect. Aren't they delicious? So Nanny got a couple of those. So let's put these over here.
And we have one of these.
Oh, it's a pencil with a pom-pom on. That, do you know why Nanny got that?
Why?
So that when Nanny needs a pencil from her pencil pot over there, because Nanny's got so many pencils, she will know which one is her pencil because it's got a pom-pom on the end. Shall we show everybody? Oh, can you get it out?
Yeah.
Oh, get it out then. Oh. We've got grubby hands because we've been doing some playing, haven't we? Look at that. So Nanny now knows which one is her pencil from her pencil pot.
Yeah.
So we're going to put that in Nanny's pencil pot over here.
Yeah.
Right.
And we have one of these.
What are they?
Butterflies.
Sparkly butterflies. Oh, Nanny had to get those, didn't she? Because you used up some of my butterflies the other day, didn't you? We can tell everyone what you did the other day. What did you do? What did you make?
Daddy's card.
Speak up because they can't hear you. What did you do?
Daddy's card.
She made a card, a birthday card, because whose birthday is it tomorrow?
Daddy's.
Daddy's birthday tomorrow, isn't it? Well, actually,
my daddy's.
Your
birthday.
daddy's birthday. Shall we tell everybody what the surprise is inside Daddy's card?
Yeah.
What's the surprise? What's going to happen when Daddy opens his card?
His butterfly's gonna come out.
Oh, we have put lots of cut out butterflies and hearts in there.
Hearts and butterflies, and Nanny find a pink one of those.
And we put them in the card, so when Daddy opens the card, they're all going to fall in and fly everywhere.
Yeah, and we pretend to be daddies. And
We did. What we did, let's tell everybody what we did. So I could show Franny what would happen. I pretended to be Daddy.
Yeah.
And Franny gave me the card and I went, oh, what a beautiful card. And I took it out of the envelope and went, oh, when all the butterflies fell out, didn't we?
Yeah,
and then what happened? Then you pretended to be Daddy, didn't you?
Yeah. And I said, what did I say again?
You went, thank you for such a beautiful card, didn't you? What a beautiful card, you said. Right, let's get on and show everyone. So we've got sparkly butterflies.
And let's open it.
Oh, no, we're not going to open them all because we'll be here all day.
Oh, okay.
So we have a look. What else? What are those? Oh, no. We've got a little girl gorgeous stamp because Nanny is collecting them again.
Yeah.
So that's another one for Nanny's collection, isn't it? So let's
And what does this say?
Oh, that's just a sticker to say that it's £2.
£2.
Okay, so
I wish I had one.
oh, well, you can help Nanny when Nanny does them next time.
I want a mermaid one.
A mermaid one. Well, I'm sure Nanny's got a mermaid stamp somewhere. And we got these lovely little gift tag sets. And they're little envelopes with gift tags in. And I just thought these would be super cute for journals. And they're...
I
wait.
we're
just going to go to the flowers first. These sparkly...
Yeah, because we didn't do these.
Oh, okay. Do you know what that is in the middle?
What?
What's that?
A gemma.
A gemma?
Yeah.
It's a diamond.
Diamond.
Sparkly. And the pearl. So it's got pearls and lace and gemmas.
Yeah.
Gemmas. I love you. Oh no, Daddy's here to pick you up. We're going to have to pause it. Right, sorry everyone. Little Franny Fran was getting picked up and we didn't realise what time it was. Right, okay, so I also got these gorgeous flowers. They're kind of fabric with lace and then pearl and a gemma, as Franny calls it. I'm out of puff now because I run up the stairs. So I got these packs of little envelopes with little tags in, and I just thought these were super cute for £1. So there's a couple of different designs. That one's the same, and I thought that these would be great for decorating certain things. And also for my planner I got some diamond paper clips and some heart ones as well. They were cool. Also have got some magnets because I do want to make some sort of envelope kind of journals, folios, and the magnets that I had were pants. So I've been and got some more. They were £1.50 a pack. Another pack of these flowers. Some letters, alphabets, stick-ons, I think they are. They're stick-ons. They're either stickers or they're rub-ons. No, they're stickers. So I just got some alphabet. And I got these lovely little pots. They were £1 for 3. Or were they £1.50? They're either £1 or £1.50. And I thought I could put those beads in there and have a drawer with beads in. So I thought these were super, super cute. So these are the boxes that I wanted. Now these are A5 ones. I got 2 of those, and I got 3 of these. And for my craft room organisation, I want 3. I want one to have things in it that are going to be for a current personal journal that I want to make. So I'll talk about that more in my journal processes over the next couple of weeks. I want one for all my bits for my cat journal if I refine them, so that I'm going to label it and I know, because I've still got more cat things that I keep finding. So one's going to be a cat box, and this one is going to be for glue book and smash book things. So if I'm looking through a book or a magazine and I see something interesting, I can cut it out, and I'm going to have a container for glue book things, which again will become more you know, over the next coming few coming weeks, I will be showing some episodes on glue books, scrap smash books, journals, etc, etc. So this is still, we're in the organisation phase still. So I'm going to lose a little set of drawers that's on top of my unit, which is a bit antiquated. Antiquated, is that right? Antiquated. Oh, I don't know, old and yucky looking. And I'm going to put these containers there instead. So I'm going to take all these horrible stickers off, hopefully easily, and I'm going to label them up all ready to go on my shelf. So this was my little craft haul that kind of just happened. But I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next episode, won't we, Charles? Won't we? Let's zoom out so Charlie can get in the picture. Where's he gone? He's here. Oh, baby. Right, so we're going to go, and I shall see you all very soon. Bye.